Good morning, everyone. This is Emmanuel Dogo from Rally Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss the basic MT4 platform. MT4 means MetaTrader 4. Now, this is for the laptop, okay? Now, the MT4 is, we can say the MT4 is majorly divided into three parts, even though there are other parts. But majorly for this particular video, is divided into three parts. The first part, this part is called Market Watch. So this, you can even see the name up here, Market Watch. So the Market Watch is an array of all the available and tradable instruments. By instrument, we mean financial instruments, financial securities, okay? Foreign exchanges, their rates, their prices. So you see them here, okay? So ranging from currency pairs, as you can see, the majors, the minors, the exotics. Also, you're going to see the commodities like metals, gold, platinum. You're going to see energies like oils. You're going to see commodities, agricultural produce like wheat, soybean. All of that you're going to trade. And also you're going to see index and of course indices like FRA 40, D30, US 30, known as the Dow Jones, US 100, known as the Nasdaq, US 500, known as the S&P 500. So all of these you can trade. And then from the market watch team, you're going to see their respective prices for buy and for sell. Okay. Now the ask price is the price that you want to buy the financial instrument. I can see the price constantly changing, meaning that it is steadily receiving price feed from the server. Okay. Now, the bid price is the price you want to sell. So this is the selling price and this is the buying price, okay? Now, if you look carefully, you will notice the ask price is bigger than the bid price, if you look carefully, okay? Now, that difference is called the spread. So this other column is the spread. And the spread on this platform is on points. Now, 10 points equals 1 pip. So this 20 you're seeing right here for Euro USD is actually 2 pip spread. Okay, 2 pip spread. So the spread is actually the transaction fee, okay, that your broker charges you for trading on his platform. Okay, that's how the broker makes profit, long and short. Okay, now that's for the market watch. Then this other area is called the chart area. Okay, the chart, and this is a graphical representation of the market. Okay, the buying and selling that takes place on the market. Usually when you open the chart for the first time, normally opens with this dark background here, right, which you can add colors to change it. Okay, now at the top left, you're going to see the name of the instrument, the financial instrument or the financial asset. Now this is European euro versus the United States dollars. Okay, this H1 means it is on 1 hour time frame. That means the bars or the candlesticks, they will be built in 1 hour. Then these are the 4 distinct prices, okay, which is the opening price of the hour, the highest price of the hour, the lowest price of the hour, and this is the closing price of the hour. Okay, now then at the bottom part of the chart area, which is this part, you're going to see the date and time. Then of course this is the x-axis. Okay, then this other axis, the y-axis, you will see the prices available on the market. This price you're seeing there, invariably the exchange rates. Okay, you're going to see the price available. Okay, therefore this chart is actually a plot of changes in prices with respect to date and time. That means at a point, this is 15th November, right? The price was up here. You can see the chart went up here. What's the price? You can trace it to this level. This is the price. And on the 15th, then on the 21st November, you can see that the market moved down. Okay, that means the price fell. Okay, now on that 21st November, the price is now this lower price. That means The chart is showing you changes in price with respect to time. Okay, that's what we have on the chart. So it is from the chart you analyze the market, which is called technical analysis, which I have covered in other videos on this same channel. Now you can of course do well to watch. Okay, please, for the first for the newbies here, for the first time, let's say this is the first time you're watching my videos, please do well to subscribe. Thank you very much. Now this for the chart area. Then of course this bottom part is called the terminal. So this terminal has different tab like trade, exposure, account history, all of that. Now the trade is where you're going to see your balance, your equity, and your free margin. That means every time you place trade, so this area is like your dashboard. So this is where you see all your running trade. Every trade you place, you see it here. You see it here. Every new trade. Let me show you one example. So to place a trade, you just click on this button called New Order. This button called New Order. Of course, it opens up like this. Then you furnish the volume. 0.01 is the lowest volume, as you can see there. Then let's say we are doing a sell, because I just want to show you that. Then now click OK. Okay. Now, if you look down here, you can see that I just placed a new trade, and then the trade has been displayed or is displaying on the terminal here. Okay, so you can see the parameters of the trade. Let's return back to this box. Now, this is the order number of this trade, and what kind of trade is it? It's a sell. What size? 0.01. On what pair or what instrument? Euro USD at. Now we enter this market at 1.04275. This price becomes the entry price. Okay, there. Now coming back to the terminal, we have placed a trade. Now the terminal is a place where you see all the information related to that particular transaction or the trade you have placed. Information like what? The order number, right? Which is an automated number attached to the trade, and the time and date you placed the trade, right? This is the time and date the trade was placed, as you can see here. This is the type of the trade, which is a sell, right? This is the size of the trade, 0.01. In other videos, I do explain, or have explained what the size is, or what the implication of this size on the trade. But for this video, I'm just taking you through understanding the MT4 platform. Okay, now this is the size of the trade. This is the symbol, the instrument. This is that entry price I showed you minutes ago, right? This is the entry price to be documented for you. And this is the stop loss is 0. This is take profit 0. Okay, now in my other videos, I also explain stop loss and take profit. Okay, but briefly, stop loss is a risk mitigate. Okay, so this is where you set how much risk you can take on the trade, which is very good. That's why I love trading. Before you enter a trade, before you begin a trade, you can set how much risk you're willing to take. Fantastic. Then you can also set the profit target, how much profit you are targeting. Okay, then this here is the market price. So there's a difference between this price and this price. This price is static, stagnant, doesn't move. This price is the one moving. So this price is the market price, whereas this other price is the entry price. So for a sell trade, until this market price move below the entry price, then you'll be on profit. Okay, but for a buy trade is the opposite. The market price must move above the entry price. Okay, so if you watch carefully, once this is below, once this price is below this price, then of course you should be seeing profits. Then of course this account doesn't have a commission. Then swap is a charge, right, or an interest that you earn depending on which of the side you are on, whether a long or a short, for holding the trade overnight. So it simply means if you hold a trade overnight, there will be either a positive swap or a negative swap, and this is a profit and loss area. Now, when you place a new trade, normally this profit and loss trade aspect of the terminal will start with a negative value. That first negative you cite is called the spread. It's called the spread. So if your position is right, if your direction is right, all of those negatives will be reduced to 0. Of course, that's what is happening here, and then to start showing you profits. Okay. Now, just like I said earlier, this is a very short video. I'm just taking you through the MT4 platform. Okay, for those of us with laptop, I've done this on the phone. I have a video on this for the phone, but this one is for strictly for those with laptops. Okay. All right, now back to the chart area. You can remove this grid line, this mesh you're seeing that look like a draft on the chart area. It's called grid. To remove it, you press on your keyboard, hold down Control button and just tap G, Control G. It will go off. Then look up here, we have zoom. Okay, the plus is to zoom in, the minus is to zoom out. So let's zoom in a little bit. So I'll click zoom the first time to become bigger, the second time to become bigger, as you can see, right? Now, if I don't want this to be, if I don't want it to be this big, I'll click on the minus, it becomes smaller. But the plus, it becomes bigger, as you can see there, okay? Now that we have zoomed in, you can clearly see that this green dashed line appeared immediately we place the trade, and that line is the entry line, right? And that is the line that signifies the entry price, which I've showed you earlier. Then this other line is the market price. As you can see clearly that the market price is slightly below my entry price, right? And of course, that is why this profit and loss is showing us tiny profit here. Okay, very beautiful. Now, there are three types of charts. There is a line chart. This is a line chart. Just follow this mouse pointer, please. This is a line chart. Right, so let me just click so that you see. It means the chart will be changed to just line. Then this is a bar chart. So this is a bar chart. Okay, just like bars. Then our choice pattern we normally use is the Japanese candlestick, this middle one here. So you change to Japanese candlestick and it looks like this. Now the default color for the Japanese candlestick is green and white candle. But from what we can see here, you can see that the market is steadily going up from what we saw here, right? This is steadily going up. So the green candles represent or showing us the movement of the market to the upside, right? So the green bars or the green candles, so we call that a bullish candlestick. So two types of candlestick. Number one, bullish candlestick shows us price is moving to the upside. Then the number two, we have the bearish candlestick represented with red here, indicate or showing us price is moving to the downside. Okay. Now this sell I place here, I am just envisaging the market should fall or drop a little bit. Of course, as you can see, it's gradually dropping. Now, for those of us with laptop, quickly you can put stop loss and take profit. Let me end this short video with that. You can put stop loss and take profit, right, on your trade. Now it's very simple with the laptop. You take your mouse pointer to the green dash line. Once you are there, just like this, you'll see a 2 arrowhead join with the main mouse pointer. Now you can click and drag. Okay. Now on your mouse pad, you can just click on your mouse. You can just click and drag. So you click and drag. Once you drag, a red dashed line will appear. That becomes either the stop loss or the take profit, depending on whether it is above the green dashed line or below. Now we are selling. Once we drag below the green dashed line, it will be our take profit. So if you look at the far left of the line, you see a label. Okay, you can see TP, right? And you can see the corresponding price. This is 1,233 naira because this loss size is a very small loss size. Let's take it down further. The amount will increase. This is 2,000. So let's say we are targeting 2,000, right? Okay. Remember, we use a very small loss size. So if I drop this here, this dialog box will appear. I'll click on this button, modify, and then okay. That means I am targeting that amount which was on display, 2,000 naira. Then to protect the capital, you also add a stop loss. So you take your mouse pointer again to the green dashed line. Now you click and you drag up. So you can say, if this market doesn't go down, if it doesn't go in my direction, this is the amount of risk I'm willing to take. So let's say a very small one here, let's say 1.5. So I am targeting to make 2,000 naira, right? And I'm risking, okay, let's just say 1,000 naira. Fine, 1K. So that becomes 1:2. So I'll just leave it here. I'll click on modify. Okay, please, I have a video that I explained this very well, but just for this purpose, I'm just talking about it. Okay, now this is simply how to trade, right? And also understanding the MT4 platform. I think we've touched so many things. Okay, all of this which we have touched. Now, also, if you want to see to divide this your chart into this, you press Control and Y. You see these lines, divide the chart into days. Then you can zoom in a little bit. So each of these columns represent activity for one day. Therefore, this would be this small gap here will be a Sunday, because the market actually opens on Sunday, 11 p.m. on Sunday. Now it runs 24 hours on Monday, so this will be Monday, and this will be Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. Now, as you can see, this recording was done on a Thursday. Okay, so if this is Sunday, you can guess this will be a Friday, because there is no Saturday on the market. So for retail traders, there is no Saturday on the market. So your 1 week is invariably this small trading we have on Sunday. Then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right then. So I think we can just shut down this short video. I think with this now you understand how the platform works. Then let me also show you how to close your trade. Okay, I've showed you how to open trade. Let me show you how to close trade. To close trade, at the bottom here, you can see this place where you have the profits. You can click on the X there. You can click on the X there. You can see, just click on the X. It will bring out this box. That X is to close the trade, but it will not close it straight ahead. It will bring out this box. Then on this box you can now click on this blue this yellow button here. Sorry, yellow button. So once you click, then you'll be closing your trade. With one click now you close the trade. Okay, let me do that. I'll just do one click now, and then the trade has closed. So that means that profit has been taken. So guys, this is how the MT4 platform works, right? On the laptop. Okay, please guys, this is Emmanuel Odogu from Rally Academy. So do it to follow us on all our social media platform, and also like this video, and also subscribe. That's how you help the YouTube algorithm. Okay, thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye for now.